How do I accept or reject a friend request or suggestion on Facebook?
Hello everyone, welcome to our latest tutorial. Today we're going to walk through the steps of accepting or rejecting a friend request or suggestion on Facebook. This is a basic but important part of managing your social interactions on Facebook. Let's get started.
How to accept a friend request on Facebook.
When someone sends you a friend request on Facebook, you will receive a notification. To accept a friend request, follow these steps. 1. Log into your Facebook account. 2. Click on the Friend Requests icon on the top right side of the homepage. It looks like two people. 3. Here, you will see a list of pending friend requests. 4. Click Confirm next to the name of the person whose request you want to accept. That's it. You've just accepted a friend request.
How to reject a friend request on Facebook.
If you decide that you don't want to become friends with someone on Facebook, you can reject their friend request. Here's how. 1. Log into your Facebook account. 2. Click on the Friend Requests icon on the top right side of the homepage. 3. In the list of pending friend requests, click Delete Request next to the name of the person whose request you want to reject. And there you have it. You've successfully rejected a friend request.
How to respond to a friend suggestion on Facebook.
Sometimes, Facebook will suggest people you might know based on your mutual friends or other criteria. Here is how you can respond to these suggestions. 1. Log into your Facebook account. 2. Look for the section labeled People You May Know on your homepage. 3. Here, you'll see a list of people Facebook thinks you might know. 4. You can choose to add friend if you want to send them a friend request, or simply ignore the suggestion if you're not interested. Keep in mind that Facebook's algorithms may occasionally suggest people that you don't actually know. Always double-check before sending a friend request. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to accept and reject friend requests, as well as respond to friend suggestions on Facebook. This is a simple yet effective way to manage your online interactions and build your Facebook community according to your preferences. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials, and remember to be respectful and mindful of others when connecting on Facebook. Happy networking!